So today is day 31. We lost a couple days to the weekend and just regular downtime. But as you can see, the floor guys are here today. And you can see the vapor barrier is mostly down. But they've started laying the flooring. That's going well. I like this flooring. It looks really good once it's down. And it really goes with everything. We got the fine microwave in. That was a fun little task. And the stainless steel backsplash that went in that area. We still got to trim it out. We got some trim material on order. We also installed GFI outlets in all the wet areas. So you'll see it there. You'll see it in the bathrooms. Just want to make sure we're up to code. But as you can see, the floor is, this is either the dining room den or flex room or whatever you want to call it. But flooring is going in there, the hallway, the family room. So it is definitely getting there. Still a lot of flooring to lay, but these guys, once they set it up and they get going, they'll get a ton done tomorrow. But everything else is going fairly well. We did get in the missing light fixture, so that was also installed. And this fine bathroom, if you recall, there was a big old hole up there. And now there's a big old light fixture. We had to remove the toilet for the flooring to go in here. That's the direction the flooring is going to run. So we did remove the toilet and get it set up. And so we are definitely getting there. Once the flooring is in, it'll take another 4 or 5 days just to button up the landscaping and all the other stuff. But at that point, we'll be done. So somewhere around 40, 45 days, this fine house will be done. Still got to change that fine brass doorknob and lock, but we usually don't change those until the last minute because that way nobody has the keys except the new owners and us. And we don't have to rekey or worry about rekeying. So all the outside deadbolts and locks we will change after all the contractors are out of here. Anyways, that's today. And I'll give you an update as they get more done. But we are definitely on the home stretch, as you can see. We are definitely on the home stretch. And just a FYI, that plastic is the vapor barrier between the concrete floor and the laminate. We ordered this stuff online through Amazon. It's 6 mil with a reinforced nylon string in it, so it's a really strong plastic. It's great for a vapor barrier, and frankly, it's fairly cheap. And it comes in big old rolls, so we've actually used this plastic a couple times. So if you're looking to do laminate and you need some vapor barrier, go to Amazon. I think it's farm material. They actually use it more for greenhouses, but it's a great vapor barrier. Anyways, that's it, and that's the tip for today.